Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Samsung Notes and preparing your workspace. Tap the app, sign into your Samsung account if required, then hit the plus button to create a new note. Choose blank, a template, or import an image depending on the goal. Select input mode next, keyboard for typing, handwriting with S Pen for drawing, or voice recording to capture ideas fast. Once done, adjust paper style and pen thickness so your first entries look clean and readable. Now build the content. You add text with the keyboard or S Pen, insert images, voice memos, or freehand sketches to enrich the note. Format what you write, change font, size, color, use bullets and alignment, and highlight key lines so scanning is faster. Organize as you go by creating folders and applying tags, or pinning critical notes to the top. Make sure to sync manually if needed. Doing this keeps your edits available across devices. Finish by saving and backing up your work. Tap Save and confirm sync to Samsung Cloud so your note is safe. When sharing, export as PDF, image, or text, then send via email, messages, or a share link. Set permissions if others can edit. Once done, clear thumbnails or archive old notes to reduce clutter. If something goes wrong, check Wi-Fi, confirm your Samsung account is signed in, update the app, and verify storage space.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.